As Governor Rick Scott announced his school safety plan this morning, another Bay Area student was being arrested for bringing an AR-15 rifle to school.
The gun and ammunition was found in the student's truck at Pasco County High School. That's in Dade City. He was taken into custody. There is no evidence of a threat to anyone at the school.
And now to the governor's plan to prevent gun violence, sort of in bullet point form here. It includes banning the sale of firearms to anyone younger than 21 years old. It also calls for a trained law enforcement officer in every school in Florida by the time the 2018-2019 school year rolls around. And then he is proposing one officer for every 1,000 students on campus. And that's a big change right there. And the plan will require mandatory active shooter training at all schools. Students, teachers, and staff must complete all training and code red drills. And then finally, you have the sale of the bump stocks. Those will be completely banned under this new proposal.
And Scott's plan was almost immediately slammed by Democratic Senator Bill Nelson, who says it does not go far enough. But tonight, we have reaction from parents. News Channel 8's Jeff Patterson begins our team coverage live from Pasco County High School. That's where the student was arrested this morning. Hi, Jeff.
Yeah, good evening, Stacy. Nerves are on edge here in Pasco County after a weapon was found on this campus. But parents we spoke with are happy that the governor is doing something.
My 9-year-old son had asked me the other day, Dad, am I going to die at school?
Rafael Garcia has children in the Pasco County school system. When word came out this morning of the arrest of an 18-year-old for bringing an AR-15 style rifle to school, Garcia worried.
And I'm like, what do I do? What do I say about that as a father that can't even allow my kid to go to school and be safe anymore?
Not long after the Pasco high school student was arrested, Governor Rick Scott announced his action plan for dealing with school violence.
I want to make it virtually impossible for anyone who is a danger to themselves or others to use a gun.
The plan includes spending $500 million to improve mental health and harden school campuses across the state.
This includes school hardening measures like metal detectors, bulletproof glass, steel doors, and upgraded locks.
Garcia is just happy the governor is doing something.
You know, whatever it takes to make the parents and the kids know that their safety is in good hands, and we need to do all we can.
When I asked Garcia and his wife if they thought the legislature could pass the governor's plan before the end of the session, they told me they can do anything if they think it's important enough. Stacy?
All right, Jeff Patterson live. Thank you.